Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the saturation of your picture on the Darkroom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the select image button, and new you can select a picture from your gallery. Go to the effects section next to the eraser button at the bottom of the page, and the first option, the saturation. Just put the circle on the line and you can edit the saturation of your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.